Hello, everyone. So, this is your girl calling from my crafting hut. Come on in and have a look at this concept that I'm working on. Today, I'm doing something with a charger plate and a small blanket. And the colors that I'm using are orange or more of a peach color. And they're the products from Pop Show. So I'm thinking of doing, and I started this concept. Then I said, well, let me go online and finish it. So I have here one of the charger plates. Let me move this. I have one of the charger plates that I got from Hobby Lobby during the 90% off. And this blanket I got from Ollie's a while back for, I think it was like $3. Yeah. And I'm also using a pair of socks that I got from CVS earlier this year. So here's what I decided to do is I wanted to use this bath bomb, and y'all might remember these. Got it from Walmart. I think it was right after Mother's Day. So yeah, I'm going to use this. And I thought that I would put it in there. Now the blanket is wrapped with paper. What I did was I cut the foil paper to the height that I wanted it, and then I scored it, making it easy to bend. And I wrapped the blanket with that foil paper that, yeah, with the paper that I scored. So there, I used this ribbon to wrap around the blanket, and the loofah, I just looped it through the top here, put a piece of tape on it to keep it from falling off. And there we have that. So now I want to add the rest of this stuff. And what I'm thinking is that I would line them up on the side of the blanket. And while I'm doing that, I'm thinking that anyone watching this video would find something of use, something that some small idea to use in one of the concepts. Since this is a simple concept, nothing extravagant about it, but sometimes we do a little some, what they say, a little some. So, anyways, let me stop rattling and get on with this video. So yeah, so if you're visiting for the first time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Come on and join me, and also hit that like and comment button. I'd like to hear from you. If you're one of my subscribers returning, thank you for continuing to support me. I do appreciate you. Always appreciate all of you, whether you're subscribed to my channel or not. We're here to support each other, and I do appreciate you. So let's move on with this baby right here. This is the hand soap, and I'm going to put that right there. Oh, this one here is this is the yeah, this is the lotion. That's the lotion, and this is the body scrub. Okay, so I'm lining those up just on the side there. I'm sorry, but the doorbell, that's my grandson. He's in and out. So I also have here, I'm thinking that I'm going to use this candle from the Dollar Tree. Have a nice smell to it. I took the price off it. And I'm going to place that right there. Yeah. Okay. Also have me some prayer, well, they're not prayer cards, they're share a blessing, inspirational, and scripture cards. So, and the color matches with the concept here. So I'm thinking I'll place that right there. And I do want to use this mask, and I'm wondering where am I going to put it? Maybe I can place it there. Yeah, maybe I can place it there. Let's see. Okay, so I decided not to go with the butterflies. It's just will make it too much going on with this concept. But what I did is I added some flowers to it. And this is what it looks like, y'all. So tell me what you think about this concept here. Do I have too much orange? Should I break it up with some white flowers? Give me input. What do you think? All right. I'd like to hear from y'all. So go ahead. You made it this far to through the video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Come along and with me, and we'll take this ride together. All right. Until the next video, God bless. See ya.